Solon, Hudson, Twinsburg, Talmadge, Streetsboro, Warrensville Heights, Macedonia, South Russell, Middlefield, Garrettsville, Britain, Highland Hills, Manaway, Stowe, Maple Heights, Aurora, and Bedford. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Ohio. A tornado watch also remains in effect until midnight Eastern Daylight Time for northeastern Ohio. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Cuyahoga, Geauga, Portage, and Summit.